Hi there. In this quiz, you've got 12 questions all about the future continuous and the future perfect verb forms. Each question has a sentence with some words missing. You have to choose which words are missing from the list below. You've got 5 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the grammar and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you'll be given a grammar tip to help you with this quite tricky area of English. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. I'll be arriving at around 6 p.m. Number 2. This time next week, we will be lying on a beach in Spain. Number 3. Don't worry about cooking for me, as I will have eaten already. Number 4. I will have written over 50 reports by the end of the day. Number 5. Will you be seeing John tomorrow? Number 6. When you're my age, you'll understand what I mean. Number 7. By this time next year, I will have finished university. Number 8. I can't promise, but we should have finished the job by Friday. Number 9. I'll be driving past your house, so I can give you a lift if you like. Number 10. If you come too late, the party will have ended. Number 11. Do you know, on Friday we will have been married for 20 years. And finally, number 12. Good luck in Australia. We'll be thinking of you.